Hello? Hello? Testing, testing. Are we live? Are we live? Hello? Yeah, I think we're good. Good morning. Good evening. What's up, everybody? Are you guys looking for some answers? Ooh, yesterday was a wild day. Oh my god. It got a little scary there for a second. Now, if you are watching this and it doesn't say live anywhere on the screen, then you are watching a recap. So make sure it says live. What's up, everybody? Good evening to all of you. What happened yesterday, we will go over, but it's going to be an exciting weekend. So you guys are ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this? Are you guys I wonder if everybody here is new. If you've been in the crypto space for a long time, then you should be good. If you are new to the crypto space, and if you never rode a roller coaster before, and you are scared of heights, you will definitely get shaken a little bit or a lot. Ooh, man, I'm excited. This weekend is gonna go crazy. Let's get a few minutes in. Let's see what's going on. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. I spelled that wrong. Oops. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. So what happened yesterday? It's a good question. Let me find the source to tax the riches. Pretty much. So if you don't have $1 million worth or more of crypto or any stock related securities, then you shouldn't have to worry about this. But if you are one of those, then you should know what to do at this point. You know, there's a loopholes, and you know there's some things you could do to prevent, getting your wealth cut in almost half. But this is the big news yesterday, guys. Ito po yung pinakamalaking news na nagpa-drop, not just in the crypto market, but also in the stock market. So, hello. How the Biden capital gains tax proposal would hit the wealthy, right? So, yeah, man, 43.4%. That's just crazy. Maraming lilipat away from the United States. Lahat ng mga Americans pupunta na dyan sa Asia. So, maybe you never know. Baka lumipat na din dyan ako sa Pilipinas. Ayoko na dito. Guys, if you're new here, welcome. And please like and subscribe to the video. We do this Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. PH time. I don't know. Do you guys have like a Eastern time, Central time, Western time? In the Philippines, hindi ko alam eh. Sorry. Kasi dito we have that Western. I mean, I'm in the Central time, Central State time, Chicago, stuff like that. But Yeah. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Welcome. If you're looking for some answers um, of on why the market dropped not too long ago, several hours ago, then part of the reason is here. Part of the reason is the tax that the Biden administration is proposing. Capital gains tax, investors currently pay 23% top rate, all right, on long-term capital gains. Now, that includes the 20% capital gains tax on asset held in taxable accounts for more than a year. It also includes the 3.8 surtax on net investment income, which was created by the Affordable Cares Act to fund the Medicare expansion. Under current law, long-term capital gains are taxed favorably with respect to wages. The wealthy pay up to 37% rate on wage income tax, for example. So yesterday, when this was running around on the headline, Dow Industrials, that's crazy, fell 1.23%. That doesn't matter because we are in the crypto space. And then there was some panic mode going on. All right. So you guys know that and all the wealthy people started unloading their shares, started selling. Then every other retail investors was like, whoa, what's happening right now? What's going on? I'm gonna wait till it hits this level. Tapos, I'm gonna hold a little bit, and then all of a sudden, it's going a lot further. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and panic sell button, panic sell. So yan ang nangyari kahapon is the panic selling. Mainly the weak hands got shaken off, but what I see is more opportunities. I already expect something like this to happen. We just didn't know when. PST time, is that Pacific State time? Yeah, I think we have that. I don't know. Yeah, man. Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Thank you for coming in. Yesterday was scary, man. It even scared me a little bit. I was like, but then I'm like, nah. Oh man, as soon as I say, I had my own expectation. I said, okay, well, this is where it's gonna be. I feel like that's where the I know masabi niyo, my Bitcoin coach. I think Bitcoin is, so that's part of the reason why the headline or my title says alts are gonna go crazy, because I think Bitcoin is losing the dominance right now. To be honest with you, Bitcoin is losing the dominance, or will be losing its dominance really soon, to the altcoins, right? So as soon as the Bitcoin dominance loses its thing over the altcoin dominance, I mean, as you can see, we had this big drop here, so we just gonna have to catch up. And let me clear this up. Yeah, right here. So this is where the total altcoin dominance is at over Bitcoin. And as soon, actually starting, maybe, I don't know what time, what day is it? Is it Friday? Is it Friday now, guys? This weekend, as soon as this starts working its way back up, right? Because right now, if you go to the Bitcoin dominance is at 49.54%. So, once that Bitcoin loses that, then it's not, it's not, I don't know if it's going to be temporary for Bitcoin, but yeah, altcoins will take over. Altcoins will start to rally, and it will go crazy for I don't know, maybe a couple months. So, but it's only going to be short term until Bitcoin picks it back up. All right, and then altcoins will begin to, um, crash again. But then again, guys, over here, so XRP, we had this. My phone's going crazy. I'm gonna turn it off. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Is it 52% right now? Yeah, my thing might be wrong. Pero once the altcoins takes over that dominance, Bitcoin will be on consolidation or bearish mode. It's at 49.8 currently trading. ETH is at 22. So 100 mas bababa sa Bitcoin ko. Yeah, I mean in it. So 50K on Bitcoin is actually really strong, but that broke yesterday, and now it's retesting 50K right here. It came down, retested, drew this little line of support right here, and so we just have to wait to see if Bitcoin bottoms out somewhere. It could even possibly go down as low as, right here, 42,914. But then again, we still, don't see a sign right now. So we just have to we just have to wait and be patient. So, that's another thing I know you got to keep in mind, guys, is keep in mind that there's always a downside. We don't know. We don't really know when the market's gonna crash. So when you take a position, just make sure that you guys are managing your risk. So that way, because yesterday, I've seen, or actually for the past couple days, I've seen some people get or lose money, and I hate it. I don't like it, but in the same time, it's like, I've done the same thing before. Natalo din ako, minsan din natatalo ako. Actually, this whole couple weeks, I've seen my portfolio in red, but then in the same time, I've been here for a long time, and it's not like I've never seen my portfolio in red before. It's just that this one was a little bit bigger than usual, but then it's the same, again, it's normal. So, it hurts to see it, but then at the same time, it's like, hold. And then XRP started going down like below 90 cents, and I was like, uh-oh. People got me questioning, man. I was like, just watching everybody else panic is like, oh shit. What did happening, my friend? Yeah. I mean, that's what it is, guys. Where is BTC again? Let's see. I mean, it's right there, as you can see right now, guys. So we had our support right here, which was the last, which was around $50,000. And then right here, it was staying, or pretty much bouncing off of these area here, and then eventually it finally dropped because of some bad news about the tax, and then panic selling. There was just a lot going on in this area, and as also there meron din mga news about 80%. Now this is just a rumor, guys. Don't go crazy or don't go panicking, but this is just a rumor na there's a possible 80% taxes on crypto. But then again, it's not confirmed. It's not on the headlines or anything. So this is just something I I saw on a Twitter feed. But you know, yeah. So Bitcoin went down as low as the 48 or 47.4 or 47.5, and then finally stopped there, and then because so it broke through that 50,000 support. That's usually pretty strong, but this down, the more or the lower it gets, this it gets stronger down here as far as support goes. So we might if it doesn't go back up towards the 50K area, we could just see Bitcoin kind of just trade sideways here, like downwards, and then work its way back up eventually. That's what I'm thinking it about doing. I mean, it could also fall below that, but then again, guys, if it's over for Bitcoin, we'll know here in the next week or so. But yeah, that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin kind of dragged everything else down yesterday, and then of course it stopped at some point. But then again, it was we already expected though that XRP was supposed to go down. We thought it was gonna be here, and then I said like, oh, I've had like we have this little short-term rally gonna happen, and then we had that crash again. Then we had a rally, and then it just it fell through all the way. And then our target was actually at 98 cents right here. The last one was 94 cents. And then, but it went all the way down to as far as 88 cents. But I did took a position right here around 90 something cents. And I haven't sold it actually. I haven't even execute the markets. Hold on, let me find it. Hold on. I keep forgetting to log in. Oh man. I gotta verify it now. Really? Sorry guys. 1 second. Send a code. There it is. So I use a smaller account on this one, but so far it's doing pretty good. This is just kind of like an example of what we do around here. You know what I'm saying? No, I don't do too much too many day trading. I only do it like once or twice a day. I don't know, not too much. Don't go crazy. I wait to see what happens. Um, so as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right down here, I still have that position open. I've seen it. So just if you're looking at this chart here, got the position somewhere over here or over there. Yeah, right here somewhere. And then it kept on dropping, right? But the thing was, the thing I did different was in case na bumaba pa rin siya, I wanted to, I guess, just risk it a little bit more and put my stop loss around, I guess around here down towards 83, and then it just kept going below 90, and then 87. I was like, uh-oh, I want to get liquidated, but then it just finally picked up. It's kind of settled down right here at 92, and then work its way up, and then it's just been trading like this, ever since. But it's up 50%, so I'm not too worried still. What up, Arjun Soriano? Welcome, sir. Nice of you to join us. finally woke up early. But yeah, I I wanted to, I was like, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Hold it. Hold it. Let me see. Are you on Discord, sir? Did you want to share your knowledge with people? Arjan Soriano is my mod, and he's also my good friend of mine. He knows his stuff really well. What you want to do, sir? I bet. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. If you're coming in, welcome. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'm gonna have Arjan Soriano up on the floor in the blue corner. No, I'm kidding, guys. Hold on. Wait lang. Yo. Yo, yo, yo. Wait, let me let me see. Let me open up my settings. I'm gonna put myself in mute so that way y'all can hear me. Go ahead, bro. Can you hear him? Can you guys hear him? Naririnig niyo si Arjan? Here, I'm gonna put this right here. Hold up. What up? All right. Can you hear him? You sound like you just woke up. Yeah, all right. Talk louder, man.
Hindi pa na naririnig kapag nagsasalita ako.
I think you're good, bro. Yo. 2 hours later. I think he's having technical difficulties. Hey, are you there? Can you hear me now? I think he's trying to fix it. Oh man.
Hey June, don't mute your quick to talk.
Oh, okay. Mute it.
Can't hear you.
Oh, hold on. There you go. There you go, bro. You got it? All right. Go ahead.
Hello. Morning sa inyo lahat. Ako si Arjan Diyan. So, asan yung pinag-uusapan natin?
We were just talking about the drop yesterday, the news. Yeah.
Awesome yan. Awesome. Nakabilis na yun.
So share with them a little bit about what your background. I guess some knowledge that you got.
Okay. Medyo matagal na rin ako market. Almost more than 2 years since before pa pandemic. Tapos kakalipat ko lang din sa crypto. Kalipat ko lang din sa crypto. Saka nag-hold na rin ako ng mga value ng crypto. Medyo ayos na rin matagal-tagal. Actually, focus ko sa, ano, sa market. Everyday gumagawa ko ng watchlist sa market kung which one yung magandang bilhin. Day trading. And ayos. Actually ngayon, naggumagawa pa rin ako ng ano, ng watchlist ko everyday para mag-day trade. So, if ever sinong gusto matutong mag-day trading sa... Actually, dito nag-day trading na tayo sa crypto, di ba? June.
Oh,
Yeah, so nice. And what else? Nasa US basis din ako. Texas, pareho kami June. Ngayon lang ako naka-join sa inyo kasi busy and nag-vacation kami for a little bit para maiwas naman sa ano, but still, nasa market pa rin ako kahit nasa vacation. You know, that's how we make money. And yeah, yun lang, sir.
okay.
And
Appreciate it. Thanks, sir. All right. Let me see. Are you guys able to hear us on Discord too while we like chat away? Arjan, are you able to hear me on Discord?
yeah, but not on YouTube.
Not on YouTube. Okay, that's fine. Let me just lower my volume real quick. All right. Here we go. Sweet. So, yeah, XRP, the drop, and the news, and now what do we expect to happen, right? Marinig ka namin sa YouTube. Good. As long as you can hear me on YouTube, you're good to go. I think Argent can hear me on Discord while we stream the chat. If you want to say something at any time, please go for it. So, whew, man, it's gonna be a crazy weekend. We are still seeing some red in the market, but then again, expect like for Bitcoin to even drop a lot harder, possibly down to 42,850. So, but you know, these things are it's normal for crypto. In the stock market, not so much. I mean, we'll see a correction, but not like a 50%. It's only once in a while that something happens in the stock market, but you know, with crypto, it's just, you know, it's already what? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no, definitely. I mean, 50% is really good. Everything is pretty much on sale.
But ano, mag-50% lang yan if there's a bigger bad news, about crypto.
Yeah. So that's something you got to keep in mind too. So any bad news related, whether if it's tax related, I don't know, hacker related explosions, uh, Elon Musk selling his Bitcoin, then yeah, stuff like that you gotta be prepared for. um, and somebody did say, I think it was David. His name is David Schwartz. He did mention on his Twitter the other day to take um to take, I guess, profit, some profit, not all of it, just some, to secure some cash. Yeah, just trim, you trim your capital, keep some, but have some cash ready, just in case something like this happens. And not a whole lot of people actually listen to that. He didn't realize na warning pala yun. So, a lot of people actually uh made fun of him for doing that, but turns out that he was right. He was right all along. So
He probably just trying to be safe, safe zone.
yeah, that's what is exactly what it was. Kasi ano eh, safe, I mean, kasi nakikita ko na din sa ano ko sa portfolio ko na okay, I think I'm seeing a peak in my kasi minsan doon mo makikita yung peak sa portfolio mo, right? We seen it over and over. We're like, "Oh man, I'm seeing my portfolio gaining a lot." And so you have a weird feeling about it on why. And then it's kind of at first para siyang slowly na bumababa, and then all of a sudden it drops a lot more, and then now you're seeing like pullback and a correction happening. So sometimes your gut kind of tells you yung mangyayari before it even happens just by looking at yung portfolio mo. So just something to keep in mind sometimes is trust your guts.
Yeah, tama. And never, never. Hindi masama profit.
Oo. Pag may profit ka na, okay na din.
Take profit, yeah.
Take your profit.
Like right now, I actually, yung Doge ko,
Mm-hmm.
actually I'm trying to trim some, because since we had bad news coming, I'm not sure that they can take some more stock.
Yeah. Well, so ito yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao in the Twitter space. You only get taxed if you sell your your crypto. There's all kinds of we don't know for sure though. That's the thing. It was just a rumor about the crypto taxes. But it's as far as like for the wealthy people, like yung mga millionaire. I was about to say that in Tagalog, bro. It wasn't gonna turn out. It wasn't gonna turn out right. But yeah, no. So people with millions of assets, yeah, they will get taxed eventually at the end of the year or whatever, however often they file their taxes. But it's pretty big. 43% is huge. Are we going to? Nasa Discord siya. I'm trying to figure out if there's a way where you guys can hear Arjun as well. 1 second. Let me see if I can do this. Make this happen. All right. So maybe now you guys can hear him.
Hello. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay na ba?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I think you're good, bro. So here's what me and Arjun used to do when we were starting is we were messing up a lot, but we learned over time. Every time like we lose money is not we didn't take it as a bad thing. It's not it's we didn't take it like we're gonna quit, stuff like that. We kept going, kasi parang ano siya, like if you drive a car and then you get into an accident, it's not like you're gonna say fuck this, I'm not driving again. Excuse my language. No, you're gonna, you might take a couple, days off or something like that, or maybe a week, but then you're eventually gonna get into a car again and drive, right? So I look at it like that. Like, I said, I really like, the market. I really want to invest and, hopefully grow it para sa future. Kasi hindi naman ako nag iisip na like, oh, I'm gonna take profit next month or 6 months down the road. I was thinking about 5 or 10 years, so you have to have that long-term mindset if you're gonna get into something. Kasi especially if wala ka pang plano for retirement, right? So my retirement is my assets that I have invested in. for the long term. And then once na maybe 5 or 10 years later, I'm getting out of US and dyan na lang ako sa Pilipinas. So I don't have to pay 43% of taxes.
I know, but I think we have to be dual citizen to get our application working on Philippines, right?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I'm eventually gonna get dual
So,
citizenship kasi ano eh, um, I want to be able to stay in the Philippines as long as I want, and then come back here as long as you know. Um, but yeah, that'd be nice too if I can open up a bank in the Philippines.
yeah, me too.
Yep. But a lot of wealthy people though, man. They have backups. They have loopholes on things like this. Uh, some of them have properties maybe somewhere else outside of US. So you already know, man. I'm sure these guys are prepared for this. It's just a panic selling. That shit
Mhm.
happens. That's all it is. So yeah, that is messy. I'm looking at the charts right now. Is the stock market? Yeah, it's open today, right?
Yeah, it's Friday.
Oh yeah, last day. So that's the only thing
Um,
difference about the stock market here, guys, is it's open Monday to Friday only, and it's sarado Saturday to Sunday. Back then when we just we only traded uh stock market, we were like going crazy Saturday and Sunday because we were like, I can't wait till Monday. Parang bagal ng oras. We were like, hurry up Monday so we can start trading. We were addicts, man. But we learned so much and in such a short period of time because we just kept going. And um even though those days were like, some days it was down and some of the days was we were really up. It was the days that we were learning that kept us going. Because even though we lost money, but we always looked at it from a different perspective. Like, oh no, we didn't lose money. We paid
right.
for that experience.
Mhm. Right.
Binayaran namin yung experience na yon, man. That's what it was. It's a
Yeah,
different way to look at it.
ang
So,
mahal ng ang mahal ng learning process sa market.
oh man, I agree. It's
It,
really
it takes
expensive.
it takes me 20 grand to
Yeah.
learn everything. I'm still learning until now.
Yep. That's a lot of money, bro.
I know, but I
Just to
learn.
learn, man.
Now, the only thing that uh, na nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi hindi ako nag-stop. And once
Oh,
you're already here, we
tama.
should never stop anymore.
Mm-mm. Tama. Don't give up, guys. Don't give up. Take a break once in a while. It's okay
Yep,
for
yep,
you
but don't
to
stop. Yep.
to refresh. Refresh your mind. Come back at it again with a fresh mind. Don't go in it stressed out. Don't go in it with like if you have some kind of issue. Take care of the issues first because it's really gonna mess you up. You're not gonna be able to think clearly. Um, and I think I made a video about like the mindset you need to have, before you get into trading. Kasi ano it's not just it's not a you can say it's kind of like a game, but then it's also really serious once naapektuhan yung yung wallet, so um but then again, it's also you need to have a different type of mindset for you to, you know be a little bit more successful in trading the market. We say market because it's just in general, whether if it's forex or um, crypto
So,
stock, Philippine stock. It's a different ball game. Um, y- it's not just about jumping in and see what everybody else is doing. You need to, well, I see a lot of it. I see DYOR, and it's true. It plays a big role in what you're doing because
and this,
what what you say, bro?
no, I didn't say anything.
Oh, um, learn what you can on your own end of things, and then kind of compare it to what everybody else is thinking as well, and then find a professional. You don't have to pay for anything. There's a lot of professionals nowadays on YouTube that record their and document what they are doing, and if you feel like they are successful, then you know to follow those people, right? So um but if they're so one way to do your research. Don't just what do you call it, listen to some random guy sa Facebook or sa Twitter. That's the wrong way to do it. The wrong way to do your market research. Read articles. When you do follow somebody on YouTube, make sure that their charts and everything look professional, and you know make sure that they actually know what they're talking about and what they're doing. Not just some guy saying, "Oh, safe moon, about to, go to the moon safely."
It's not gonna crash
And then
like this, you
it didn't land safely at all. um, but yeah, you know, you have to make sure your resources are legit. Um, because we didn't learn. Because like back then, the resources, we were limited in resources. I think it took me a while to finally figure out like yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Tapos the platform I was using, oh my god, man, ang dami kong platform na ginagamit dati. I downloaded every single platform I can get my hands on. Tapos ginamit ko yung mga iba. Tapos I found the one that I really like, and then that's where I practice my charts on. And then it came to the point na nakukulangan na din ako doon sa chart na yon, you know? So, ganun din kay Arjan, once you learn enough, you're like, okay, I need more. So, we transition away from
Yeah.
that platform to something else that has better tools and better,
Makakatulong sa strategy natin.
ganun. So, and remember when we were just starting, bro, we use our phones a lot, right? Actually, dati it was okay kasi that's how we learn, right? So eventually, the more we advance into trading, the more we learn that cell phone is not actually a good way to trade. So we've eventually, moved
No,
on.
no, 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 bro. It's okay. Okay lang yun na
Yeah,
phone yung gamit. But it's
if
not
you really
helpful
want to get
talaga
if you
kung
really want to get technical with it, then it's hard to do it on a cell phone. But the good thing about yung trading view is, man, you could do all the lines and all the tools that you want to use.
Yeah.
You could do it on trading view. So that's why, yes, no, I agree. Cell phone is okay, because you got TradingView. If without TradingView, man, dati we had like ano yun, Webull.
Yeah,
Webull, man, we barely had anything we could work with, man. We just did what we can to use it. It helped you become, what do you call it? Like this pro technical analysis. No, not even pro, novice, you know. Like you're somewhat almost there. Like you're, more than a beginner, right? But then eventually you're like, this is, and plus the prices were different sometimes. It had like such a long uh ang tawag dito, yung yung pagka-update ng pricing and the charts nila, and then the contracts that we were buying, there was a time delay. May time delay na mga, I think it was 5 minutes, or was it 10 minutes? No, it was 15 minutes. The time delay was ridiculous. Kasi it's like, okay, 15 minutes into the market, what's the real price? you know, Webull was really good at it at first in the very beginning, and then they turned it off. Sa they turned that off. So yeah, I mean, I was turned off. I was like, nah, I need real time updates. I don't want that 15 minutes, kasi 15 minutes, it's already too late, Minsan you only get a few seconds or few minutes to jump into something, and then yeah, you got to be prepared for it. What do you guys have any questions? Do you guys have any questions that you would like for me or Arjan to answer? Worst days of the week, of the month, or whatever. Or meron akong worst days. What else? The best day. We have that too. What else? Embarrassing? Did you ever have an embarrassing day trading the stock market, bro?
I'm not sure about comparison. Confident ako
Mayroon ka daw. Okay, so do you have any tips in spotting gem coins, dude?
Gem coins? Actually, hindi pa ako dun naghahanap. Hindi pa ako naghahanap ngayon.
Ng mga gem coins?
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I do. I got one. So there's this coin called Casino Coin. There's actually a couple of them, but I'm just gonna make a Casino Coin an example. Casino Coin was on the verge of losing. Like, what to expect, KXB? Oh, I'll tell you here in a second. Casino Coin was about to lose the company, and then they hired another CEO. I can't remember his name, but he took Casino Coin and transitioned Casino Coin to the XRP ledger. And this is just for to make the whole technical side of Casino Coin a whole lot better, like 100x better. Processing time, processing fee, and all that good stuff, right? Man, it was crazy, right? It's crazy. So now, guess what they're talking about with this coin? This coin will eventually get what do you call it? Will be used eventually in Nevada, Vegas, right? So Vegas will eventually adopt this coin, and I found it right when the whole transitioning from one CEO to another CEO and then now sh- they uh they halted trading. Um, they halted trading because they're in transition to the XRP ledger at the moment. So what they did was they were only available in one ang tawag dito, in one exchange, which is Bitrue. And then once that transition finishes, then um, they will make it available to all the other small exchanges. And right before I know the transition happened, and right after they have the new CEO and everything, casino coins skyrocketed like almost 150% or something like that. I was like, dang, it was dope. I'm holding it for the long term though. I'm not trading it. I'm just gonna hold it for a while. But yeah, that was my gem. So there's like almost 8,000 coins out there, guys. You're just gonna have to go to what Mr. Joel Regino said. You gotta go to Coin Market Cap and just go and just look through all that coin, read about it, make sure the website looks legit. They have a white paper, a roadmap, what they've been doing, where they going. Um, don't go for if it has anything that says safe on it, don't hit it. Is it really safe though? um but yeah. Yeah, no, Binance is huge, guys. Binance is huge. You got a Goliath now. You call it a Goliath exchange, man. I think Binance is better or bigger than Ano, right? Coinbase, Arjan.
I know.
Yeah, Binance, bro. Is bigger than I think it's bigger than Coinbase. It's just because they have Binance US.
Oo, kasi Asia din ang stock ng, right?
Yeah, but
Binance.
they eventually came out with Binance US. But they don't have Texas. That's the crazy part.
Wait,
Why Texas?
I know, right?
um, but once they have Binance US available in Texas, I'm definitely gonna get it. So XRP, um, man, honestly, we don't know if XRP is gonna go lower than this right now. Yung pinaka lowest that I really think it can go was 75 cents. But is it going to go lower than that? I mean, 88 cents is really low for XRP already. And I thought 94 cents was the lowest that XRP was gonna go. But then when it kept going down to 88 cents, I mean, that made me, I guess that made me think last night or think about, I was like, okay, well, why? Why did it go? But then again, it was a mixture. You have to think about it like, okay, what was the cause of this huge drop, right? And it's not because of the news itself, it was the panic selling. There was a lot of people panicking about this whole tax thing. And then, as big as uh crypto is now, this time, I guess this time in 2021, there are more investors involved in the market. Starting starting in
Pan,
2020,
pan, the pandemic.
the pandemic. Yeah, the pandemic introduced wait lang, talk for a little bit, bro.
nag-introduce sa mga bagong investor, lalo na yung Robinhood na pumatok. Right now, actually, Robinhood is the one-stop application platform for everybody because it's easy and like friendly user. Kaya yung target talaga ng Robinhood, yun yung mga new people, like yung mga bagong investors.
Actually, doon din ako natuto kahit konti. Actually, a lot talaga. So, yeah. And
Sorry guys, wait, be right back. Arjan, take over real quick.
sa XRP naman, I think maganda na siya talaga kasi parang yung pinakamababa niya na para sa akin na yung first support niya talaga. Nag-second support siya sa akin. And then talaga siya almost 61% yung sell-off niya. Since XRP yung future nito kasi maganda rin yung ano nila. Yung mga about project wala pa akong narinig. Pero I think si Jun meron. Pero yung future nila, maganda yung iyan nila sa future. Kaya I believe XRP. And now, nag-sell off sila ng more than 61%. Actually, kanina, kagabi, maganda bumili kagabi. Kaya it might hit or break that, but if it hit, it should be break the support. If it doesn't break the support, it means maganda talaga yung XRP. Pero it's just gonna hit it's just gonna break the biggest support if there is the biggest bad news in the cryptocurrency or sa XRP itself. Kaya, and I don't see anything that's gonna happen yet. Kaya, mas maganda kanina nakabili tayo. Kung sino may nakabili, meron bang nakabili dito kanina ng XRP or any other coin? Like, anybody? Yung wife ko kagabi nakabili siya ng $1 ng XRP at saka ng ibang. Sa goodbye na yun. Yung mga under $1 nakabili, goodbye na talaga yun kasi nasa na siya nasa second support na talaga yung At saka yun yung hinihintay ko, yung $1. $1 kami nakabili yung wife ko kagabi kasi okay na talaga ako sa $1 na yun. It's almost 61%, more than 50% off na yun. Tapos, pero iniisip talaga natin dito is about future. So, iniisip natin, yung sell-off na to, there is a chance, not a chance, it's always gonna hit. It's always gonna hit the high. So, may future na tayong nakikita na it's gonna hit the other almost $2 on XRP. Kaya hindi na tayo nun. That is more than 50% active. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung target price pala ng XRP. Mayroon bang alam dito na ano yung target price ng XRP? Para sa akin, ngayon, titingnan ko titingnan ko kung paano what yung biggest niya. Para lang sa akin. Yeah, para sa akin kung mag-trim tayo sa XRP, mag-trim ako around $2.50. Yeah, mag-trim ako doon unless just be safe, yung parang ganun. Yeah, $2.50. Parang mag-trim, mag-start ako mag-trim doon kasi medyo marami ng mga parang, take profit for a little bit, and kung mag-drop siya another, chance na mag-drop ng konti, may chance na naman para naka-sell off na naman tayo. Parang linalaro talaga natin yung XRP kasi XRP talaga in the future. Maganda talaga siya. Kaya yung inaano lang natin yung mga magaganda sa future. Yeah. So right now, yung pinaka-bottom talaga ng XRP is yung ngayon yung bottom niya. Para sa akin yun lang. Kapag ma-break na naman siya ngayon, kailangan talaga ng big bad news para sa XRP or para sa crypto. Unless si Biden mag-declare ng 80% tax na naman sa 80% tax sa crypto. And that's not gonna happen. I hope not. But mag-quit na ako. Magtatrabaho na lang uli ako. So, yeah. All right, questions, guys? June, where are you at? Guys, alas 8 na. I think, yeah. Yeah, ano ba? Sana ba si June? Diwanan na tayo. So, any question, boss? Yan. Well, 75.
I'm back, guys.
It might hit 75. Pero like I said nga, kailangan talaga ng malaking bad news sa crypto or XRP. Highest price ng XRP in the near future. Para sa akin, it might hit 250 for the first resistance niya. Kaya pero hindi ko pa alam kung kailan siya may hit talaga. Once na mag-break ng yung highest natin ngayon, there's a possibility na matamaan ng $250 or more because ganun talaga yung market. Once talaga na bull run talaga siya, it keeps going for it hit more than 100% and hit the price. June.
Yeah, I'm back, bro. Sorry, guys. I had to use the restroom. But I'm back. So let's see where we at. So I was kind of listening.
Dogecoin, wait. Ito yung favorite ko.
Go ahead.
Sa Dogecoin, man.
Go ahead. Talk about Dogecoin.
Lang. Dogecoin, bro. I'm with you on Dogecoin. I have a lot of position on that, and nakabili uli ako kagabi because they hit more than 60, almost 70%, bro. 70% yet last night. Kaya nakabili ako na pinaka-bottom nila, which is 16 cents.
Yeah.
Doon ako nakabili nag-add na naman ako ng another 2,000, no, 2,000? No, sa ano pala yung sa LTC, yung 1,000. But anyway, nag-add ako ng another 1,000 sa Dogecoin.
Nice.
Kaya ngayon, I'm happy, man. I'm looking forward to trade some because, since I already have a lot on position on it. Kaya, so ngayon, yung Dogecoin, parang XRP lang din ngayon yung move ng Dogecoin, but it is lesser, masyado siyang nag-sell para sa akin. Kasi nga yung hype nito is malaki. Kaya yung hype din pababa, malaki din. Pero maganda yun na naiisip na makita na natin yung high ng Doge is more like almost 50 cents.
Oo.
And yeah, future ng Dogecoin, I hope bumalik agad siya sa 50 cents but it takes a lot of time though. It takes a lot of time. It takes more like last other bull run. It takes April 12 to February. February. 2 months. So we have to expect 2 or 3 months. Yeah, always 3 months naman actually yung expectation ng bull run natin, di ba, Jun?
Ano, what was that? What was the question, bro?
Yung bull run talaga na mag-break yung yung high natin, all-time high. Kapag mag-break yung all-time high, it takes 3 months talaga yung bull run ng market. Well, I know about market, it takes 3 months to bull run again yung isang.
Yeah, it took about this year. Took about almost 2-3 months.
Yeah. Kaya ganyan yung expectation ko sa Dogecoin. Kaya wait lang sa Dogecoin. Yun lang. Go ahead, bro.
This is just what I think what's gonna happen with XRP is I have this what do you call this, it's kind of like a bars pattern. What I would think what XRP would do. It would actually play out really well if this happened. As you can see, I put it right down here at the 88 cents mark. There's that support that it here. Let's go and jump in on closer. So right now, right? So remember, I think I said last night I would feel better, safer if XRP was to go above that 108 area. Because that would be the first sign of resistance. And it did. It went up and then it went down. So what I feel like what this is doing right now is retesting this area here, the 108, 107 area. So kind of like what this yellow candle bars are doing, yellow bars. So, if we put it maybe like this, something like that. It's not like exactly like that, but it's retesting that 108 area and then eventually kind of, jump back up right here on the next side of resistance, which is 120, and then kind of trade sideways until it works its way back up to that battle zone that we've been talking about. So, this is the battle zone area, right? So it's gonna kind of just like trade sideways until it works its way up towards the one. Remember what I was saying, the target price was around 180, and then trade, this is kind of like what a bull flag would look like right here, right there, breakout, and then eventually breaks out of the $2 range or the 190. This was where the sell-off started happening at the 192, 195 area, and then break out to $2.23, and then come back down to retest that $2 area. That's just what could happen, guys. Don't take that as like 100% thing. Just always keep in mind that there's always going to be that downside because of some bad news that might go around and things like that. Right now I was just reading that there's like there's an SCC thing about they're looking for more things about Ripple XRP. They're just really trying hard to you know to to win this lawsuit. They just, I don't know, they do whatever they have want, because I mean, first of all, they have big money. They have a lot of money, so you know they are able to do all that, um and nobody's really gonna stop them from doing, because I mean, they're the SEC. As that's as far as what the news is going on with Ripple, but it's not getting affected uh much at all. So it's nothing to worry about at the moment. That's just a quick update on what's happening with XRP right now. It's retesting this support here. I'm just gonna put it right there, 108. Yeah. Let's see what. Yeah, lowest point. Yeah, lowest point. Okay, lowest point. Honestly, is around 75 cents. But I don't know, man. Just because of this here, because of this right here, then yes, that definitely could be right. The lowest point of XRP. Actually, let's bring it up a little bit. Yeah, we'll just leave it there. We'll leave it there. That is the lowest point of XRP. But then again, every chart is not 100% accurate. Because if you look back here, right, this is the neckline that XRP broke out of from the 3 year resistance, right? And then it had to go down to retest that resistance. But um, right here was the hold on, let's go back. Right here was the first sign of support. Oh, see, it always changes. I don't know why it moves. There you go. Right there was that first sign of support that I was or the last support that I was hoping to it targets is 94 cents. But then you have the 75 cents that's the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders right here. That's the inverse head and shoulders. And then this is the neckline right there. So is it possible that XRP could go down to 75 cents? Yeah, definitely. It's very possible. But the support I was keeping my eye on was right here at 98 cents, and then 94 was the last one. Yeah, 98 cents was right here. 94 was right here somewhere. Yep. Change that to 4 hours. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Um let's see here. What do you have? Near future, yeah, that's what it was. The $2.20 area, and then come back down and retest. Um about what news? Anong news 'yan? Is Arjun, are you still there, bro? I guess not.
Oh yeah, bro.
Oh,
Sorry. Gumagawa lang.
okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you got about 15 minutes until the market opens,
Yeah.
huh? Um, I saw someone use Elliott wave theory and wave 3 is $13 and wave 5 is about 527. About 27. Yeah, I mean, like I said, there are people that has like a lot of, ways to do charts. Elliott wave is one of them. Um, and then there's another one. There's a I forgot what it's really called, but it's like I think it's the actually it's right here. There's the Elliott wave, and then there's the where you at though? It's in here somewhere. It's the I think it's the Fibonacci speed resistance fan. One of those two. The GAN fan. Somebody uses that um to kind of do their predictions. Burning the XRP. That's actually, I think to me that's good news because then it would decrease the amount of XRP available. And then, kind of like what Bitcoin is, there's only so much available that the demand for it uh is so high that the price goes up. So same thing with XRP. If that was to happen, then the demand for XRP would increase its value. Does that make sense? um, Ladies and gentlemen, we are live Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Hit that like and subscribe button if you are brand new to this channel, or dislike, whichever. Leave a comment. Let us know how we're doing. Let us know what we can improve on. I like to accept what do you call it, like criticism, because it helps me become better at everything I try to do. um yeah, that's just one way that we get better is if you let us know what can we improve on, because what that's what we always or why we're here, right, is to improve. So um yeah, man, if you have any ideas, if you have any um recommendations, then let us know in the comments. That'd be great. I would appreciate it, guys. We are giving away $100 worth of XRP at the end of the month just for subscribing to the channel. We will pick the winner randomly live here on the live stream, so that way there's no shortcuts, no scam, not picking your friends.
No, bro, may boss tayo dyan, may boss.
Yeah, there's a bot,
Yeah.
but then there's also this random
They might worry
picker.
about that.
Yeah. Now, it's gonna be legit. I've given some giveaways already on the Discord channel. So from time to time, I'll be doing that, like the random giveaway, just by answering or asking random questions about crypto. Um, and you guys are some of you guys, man. They you know your stuff, so um, if you have like knowledge, some type of knowledge, it'd be it would be nice if you could share some of that knowledge on the Discord team, because the purpose of the Discord is to educate the new ones, the new traders. I don't like to call them newbies. I really don't even like that word newbie, because it's just it just weird. It sounds weird to me. New investor is okay, or new trader. I mean, just because like we all been there, and um yeah, we would like to share our what we know so far, and that way you're a lot more prepared jumping into the market. You know, yeah, no, eventually, like we will make mistakes from time to time, but hopefully not all the time. So, I wouldn't say 0%. There's still things. There's still a small percentage there, and that tide can turn. You know, really fast. You know, um, really quick too. So we have
Unless
to.
nasa loob tayo talaga ng ano, ng repo. But we
Oh.
can't do we can't do crypto if we inside the repo because
Mm-hmm.
that's against the law, right?
Yeah. So the SEC, they were breaking some of the laws already just to find something regarding Ripple's financial statements internationally if they were selling, securities. Uh, because the only ones that are not allowed to sell Ripple are the employees, people that work there, or any staff that works there. But investors, us retail investors, we can do whatever we want. so the so the notion to intervene is that's what it's all about. Is you know the SEC had one job, and that job was to protect investors. And by doing what they do to Ripple, a lot of the XRP holders were affected. I mean, you know, um, in a large scale. I mean, you're looking at billions of dollars. So you have majority of the 10,000 plus members who signed that petition probably own billions or millions of XRP. So yeah, but then again, you have some that own hundreds of thousands of XRP in that, right? In that petition. So, uh, no, even if Ripple XRP loses the battle with SEC, it's not the end. It's not an end. It's Ripple XRP will still continue to trade. Um, the value, yes, might definitely come down. That's the thing too. The value of XRP would come down, um, possibly back down to below the 75% or 75 cents area, maybe down to 50 cents, but then it would eventually work its way up, because Ripple is not gonna stop what they're doing when it comes to the roadmap, right? Their goal is to bridge all currency, make it safer for all cryptocurrency as well. And then central banks will be using XRP, Ripple, the XRP ledger. Um, so the utility is still, they're still gonna follow through with that goal. Uh, Up to this question, yeah, a little. It's all right, man. But that's what it is. I mean, Ripple XRP will still be trading even if they lose. It's just the value will take time. It will take time, a long, really long time, to get back above, where it's at now. Um, me personally, I will still hold it. I will trim some of my position, and then, you know, add some more eventually. But it's just gonna take time. So we can see XRP dropping a little bit. It's not big yet. It's just Bitcoin dropping. XRP, but this is on the 4 hour chart. So we can move on to the 15-hour chart and see why, or see, a lot more detail on how far it's gonna drop. Hold on, guys. Wait lang. But yeah, sorry guys. um, so that's what it is. That's what's happening at the moment. Uh, yeah, no problem, bro. Okay, let's go with different charts. Oh, let's go to 4 hour. Much easier. Nagbabad. Yeah, you gotta have to, wait it out right here. I mean, these prices are really good if you're holding the long term. Long term, maganda yung mga price dito. Um, and then if it even drops some more, add some more. That's why it's good to have like that extra capital just in case there's a new opportunity that presents itself, right? So we have this support here.
About risk management, nasabi mo na ba sa kanila about risk management?
Not 100% detail. If you want to talk about it, bro, go ahead.
Ikaw na lang. Bukas na lang, bukas.
Bukas na lang, gabi na.
Mag-open na. I have a lot of positions. I have Apple,
Oh, you have, okay.
Facebook, Amazon
Yeah.
positions, so that's why I have to look through it.
I got you, bro. I got you. What is
But anyway, bukas
that?
we're gonna talk
Bakit
about
ganun?
the 2% risk management para alam nyo yung, if ever na it happen again, that the dip happen, we have some money, we have some extra cash to put in. So yeah, bukas.
Sige. That is so weird. Okay. Yeah, so risk management, guys, is like if you have, I don't know, let's just say $1,000 to invest, uh use only like 2% of it, right? 2%. So that way, in case that there is an opportunity um that presents itself, then you can, average your prices. But I'm watching the charts right now and I'm trying to make sure that we don't go super deep in the red again. I think I'm still good. Yeah. So BTC, that's a 2%. So it's nothing big yet. It's nothing big. If it drops lower than 48K, that's, and then, down below, it's below the, hold on here, the 47.5 area, it's gonna drop really fast, really really fast. So but right now it's maintaining this area here, um and it's not dropping, like crazy, like with, like the past couple days. um so XRP is still holding here as well. So if we can go to stochastic here, you can see on the 4 hours, way oversold already. The thing about Doge is I feel like it's still got that, ways to go down, right? It's still right here on the 55 Dogecoin. That's why, I'm not touching Dogecoin at the moment. It could still drop down, right here towards the 13 cents area. That would put it right here, probably right here around the 30 area. But let's look at XRP. XRP is really close. It's really close to that oversold area already on the daily, Um, 4 hours is on track for an upward movement, but that could change, anytime. So that would drop it down a little bit. Um, so we have about 2 hours and a half on this bar, right? If it keeps dropping, then that would drop the stochastic down. 1 hour, 1 hour. Then looks like it, um, got about 30 minutes on that bar, so it could still drop. But is it gonna be, is it gonna drop big? I think if it drops again, it'll drop right here. But you know, we'll see. All we can do is wait and see. London court allows Australia's right to serve Bitcoin copyright claim. What's the link on that? But yeah, guys. So there is still a possibility that you see 75 cents, but I don't know. It's really hard to tell. It's really hard. That's why I'm not even paying attention to that right now, unless some bad news happens again. Um, whether if it's a SEC news or sa sa the tax thing, right? Vet, yeah, definitely vet can still go down. Um, hmm, I would say it would have to right down here, right down here again, or even lower, right, right there around the 9 cents area. So, nandito yung isang kaibigan ko. Mag-neighbor kami. Eh. um, so let's see here. TRX. See TRX, man. I think that's it for TRX. I don't see TRX dropping anymore. It's in the oversold territory already. And the thing is with Bitcoin, it's already there. It's already on the oversold territory as well. It's just, waiting for the orange line to, come down a little bit and then make that transition up. So um it's probably gonna make a couple retest back down to that $48,000 area. But I want to see it. I want to see it bounce from here, or not even that not even that low. I want to see this the lower low, and then hopefully see a bounce right here to make a higher low, right? Change the trend. We need to see a change of trend, because right now yeah, this is on the 1 hour chart. I want to see a higher low in this, right up here in that area. Same thing with XRP. Um, we have the lower low, and then I want to see it like stop right there. Stop right there, higher low, and then just kind of like trade sideways. I don't care if it just trades sideways as long as it's on the way up. Right now, I'm not worried about it. If it doesn't cross over here somewhere, I'm not gonna worry about it at the moment. Um, yeah, Neo. They start over here. Oops. Neo on a daily. Neo can definitely come back down a little bit more. Um, this would be the lowest I think Neo can go right here, $62. Um, that would make Neo attractive again. Let's see what BNB has. So yeah, same thing with BNB. It would make BNB attractive again around here at the 0.618 area. That would make it about $380. So for all these things to be healthy, for all these different coins to be healthy, they need that. They need to reset right down here or retrace down here. But some of the coins that we are seeing already showing bottom right here. So this right here and this right here. Um, let's see. BTC on the daily. Definitely still it still shows. No wait, that's Ethereum. Sorry. Yeah, on BTC it's showing that it's bottom already, but um, still it can always go down lower than that. CHC. Yeah, even CHC is already showing candle bottom. It actually fell way below this, so that's a good thing about that. Let's go. Let's see what. So right there, um, on the daily chart. So yeah, now CHC, the safe zone would be above right there. So then I want to see the next candle. Let's see on the 4 hour. Let's take a look. I want to see CHC. Actually, yeah, that's not too bad. I think that's safe right there. $38 or 38 cents. Engine. All right, let's clear that up. Yeah, engine already showing bottom, but I mean, then again, can always go down a little lower. But let's see. Let's look at it. Let's look at it if it's gonna start recovering. There you go. Um, yeah, safe zone would be above this $2 one. Yeah, $2 area. I think another coin would be really good is this one right here, Algorand. If you don't have this in your portfolio, this is a good one. Let's look at the daily. Look at that. It's already getting ready to cross right here. So, expect some kind of recovery up here real soon. Let's see here. Algorand is really good. They're very compliant too. They're so those are the type of coins that you want. Those compliant coins. XRP will be the first one in a clear. XLM and Algorand are all compliant coins. So safe zone is right there. It's already above safe zone, so $1 and above is safe. If it goes down lower here, then not safe. There's like certain thresholds I like to see on coins. Like I wouldn't buy unless it's on a certain level. TKO, where you at though? Let's see. I thought I have TKO. There it is. The very last one. What's happening here? Uh, don't have too much data on it. this is all I got on the daily. Let's go on the weekly or the 4 hour chart. So I think safe zone for TKO is right up here. Two two $2.17. So I want to see that. I mean, it's already oversold on the 4 hour. I think over here it's got like this little line. It's about to be entering oversold, so it might drop a little bit more. So that's why my safe zone is around $2.17. And TWT, I don't have that one. TWT. Oh, oh, maybe I did. There it is. No problem. You're welcome. All right, let's look at the daily. See, that's showing bottom already. Let's go look at the 4 hours and see what we have here. Find out where our safe zone is gonna be. Let's put it right there. Safe zone for TWT is, I think it's good. I think that's safe right there in that level. 1 hour chart. Yeah. Daily. Yep. Yeah, I think it's, this would be safe for me. I wouldn't mind jumping on in this area. But just, wait till confirmation. Confirmation level would be above right here. 56 cents. That's your confirmation. Na pataas na talaga yan. But right now, I mean, it's in a safe level. Dangerous level is 49 cents, and confirmation would be 56 cents. So same thing. I mean, it goes same ways for all the other cryptos. So you got uh you got safe level was right here. Confirmation level for XRP is right up here around $1.15, $1.14 area. Dangerous level is below the 92.88 area. Yeah. So it's safe above $1. How about that? Okay. Okay, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Don't be shy to say hi. Uh, PM me, message me if you have any questions, concerns, or recommendations. Yeah, we like recommendations. Next Monday, we will be doing a random crypto that you guys want me to buy. We will buy it, say it on, comment on the video, comment on the chat, and then we'll pick a random crypto. We will spend $100 maximum on a crypto. So, it's kind of like an experimental thing that we do, just to see if, picking a random crypto from the internet is worth it. Will it do good over time? Is it worth it? Is it worth holding long term? Things like that. Don't say Safe Moon though, because we can't buy Safe Moon. I'm not gonna download Pancake Swap just to that, just to say to buy Safe Moon. Naman po yung sinasabi nila up to $10 possible si XRP this year. Okay, so Here you go. Let me clear my charts here. Um, that there, it's a possibility that, let's see here. The thing is, I cannot go back to, what do you call it? What do you call it? The the all time high for some reason. It's not showing in my trading view. Wag naman ganon. Um, no, I'm not trying to like bash on any crypto. I like all cryptos. I think crypto is the future. I don't participate a lot in other cryptos that it's not like a million, 500 million plus, or a $1 billion coin. Just I have like a standard of what I want, I guess. Unless if it's like, like we said earlier, it was a gem coin that has some type of like a potential. It's in a really good platform. It's in good hands with, I know, like the CEO and things like that. Then yeah, it's different. Random number 1 to 1074 based on coin market ranking. What you mean? um okay, XRP, right? XRP, let's make this a little shorter. So how can we um here, let's do this. So if we do this, right? If we copy this, if we copy this thing, this move here, right? This already includes the trading sideways and everything. Um, all the way down to 86, 80, 88 cents. And then we trade it sideways and work our way up. Once we break that $1.97 $1.95, then we're gonna see the $2.20 area. Okay. And then let's just say that we traded sideways again from here. We retested that. Um, we retested the $2. Where you at? Right here. Let's see where we at. Where we going? The $2. Yeah, right there. The retest. So we're gonna go up, come back down to retest. Okay. So let's do this, and then the trading sideways, and then we eventually break out again right here, right there. Break out into the all-time high, right? Because the all-time high was around $3.80 something cents. It was like $3.92. So we will see this right here. We're gonna go for the all-time high, right? Then once we break the all-time high, let's just say $4. Let's go ahead and put in this whole thing. Did it do it? Oh, it didn't do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me redo it again. Oh, it doesn't go as far as, why? Okay. Why won't it go farther? That's a bow. Can I do this? What? Hold up. Uh, Oh, because it doesn't have the candles. Damn it. Okay, well, we'll just do Fibonacci. We'll just do a Fibonacci from here. Okay, so now we need to edit that right there. There you go. Okay, so this is how some people are able to come up with that $12 to $13 um price range. Is once it hits the 4.236 max fib level, then because the 4.36 just happens all the time with different even on Bitcoin. It happens. This is the max limit. It's like even Ethereum, actually, was it Ethereum or Doge? No, it was Dogecoin that went way above the 4.236, but it still respected the Fibonacci level, and eventually came back down. But some people or some technical analysis are actually saying XRP is following what Dogecoin did, right? So if XRP was to follow what Dogecoin did, it would respect the same Fibonacci level at 4.236 level and hit this area, the $13 and 45 cents area. But I will shave some profit around the $10 mark and the $11 mark. Okay. So now you guys kind of understand that once we break the $2 or the $2 mark, it will eventually work its way towards the point 618 what do you call it, retrace, and then trade sideways until it breaks out to all-time high, um, and then kind of retrace again, on the breakout area, and then eventually work its way out and go parabolic, kind of like what Dogecoin did, right? And so the last piece of the last what do you call it? The fib right here at 4.236 is usually where it stops and then drops. Yeah, I will post it. I posted this similar what do you call it? Similar picture yesterday of what I think would happen with XRP. Um, with this same picture, starting right here at the point 88 area, it would try to trade sideways upwards until it eventually breaks out of the battle zone, which is the $1.50 area, and then the 180 area, and then eventually break out to the $2.30 some area, and then trade sideways for a while. So this all is gonna play out, guys. It's gonna play out in months. It's gonna take months before it goes crazy. We will see all time high soon, but it's gonna play out like this. It's gonna take a long time. So just have the patience to wait on it. Um, okay, let me take a picture of that first before. So this is on a weekly chart. So remember, how many weeks will it take, right? This is not gonna be like an overnight type thing. So let's go with capture that picture, save image, copy, and then I will post it on. And then I will post it on here too. There you go. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all so much for being here. I know that the market's been, bloody red for the past couple days and or maybe a week now. But don't, I'm not even saying that. Nope, I got copyright thing last time. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. And just keep it positive, guys. And if you feel stressed out or feels, angry, take some time to do something relaxing, take a day off. It's okay. Remember, don't stress out so much, because it just slows you down even more. I know even though life can be stressful sometimes, but in the same time, it's our choice. It's a choice. We always have a choice to keep it positive and, um, do things that will eventually turn things around, um, by just staying positive. If you keep on looking at it in a negative way, then I'm sure a lot of you guys believe in the law of attraction, and you do attract what you think of most of the time. Okay, because your emotions will begin to act as an action. So, what's inside your mind will eventually come into reality, right? So, start thinking positive starting today. And eventually, once you do that, you will do things more positively, um, be more happier. And then the more happier you are and the more positive you think, more positive things will come. And you are late. You are definitely late, Premium Fantasy. We are about to end the live stream. Just see us on Discord. Um, you guys are amazing. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and the Discord channel. Educate one another, have each other's back. Sorry if I talk a lot of English. Hindi pa ako sanay magtagalog po sa live stream kasi nervous lang ako, that's just how I am when I'm talking to I guess another Filipino, and I get nervous around them because I don't speak Tagalog like super fluent. Like even though I can understand a whole lot, hindi ko lang kaya magtagalog like all the way. So, whew, thanks guys. Thank you both so much. Don't panic. It's organic. I'll see you guys on Discord. Ask me any questions on Discord. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Thank you guys. Bye bye.